smoke with a Mustang. See what they're trying to do. I don't know if it's a 10 speed or 6 speed. I don't know if it's auto or what's this called, stick. I don't know. I have no idea. But supposedly all he got is headers. His car is pretty loud, so I don't know. We'll see. So they said they want to do a 40 roll. This street right here, right? All right, for sure. Ear piercing loud. He easily jumped. He went on the second hump, but it's all good. It's up to him if he want to go again. So yeah, he jumped, but I mean it's whatever. Chase is a race. He said that he didn't want to run it again. He wanted to run it another day. I wanted to run it again, but it's whatever. They don't want to, it's cool. Yes, sir. These look like some cheap old filters that you can get from AutoZone, like the one that I got on the hat. It's not one of those, but it looked like them. And it's just like little pieces of piping. Literally so cheap, bro. But I mean yeah, I honestly could have just bought like some PVC piping and put it in there, and then for these, like, I could have went to AutoZone and bought those, but the sizing was kind of weird. It was kind of hard to find the right size. Dang, water all up in my head, like, because it's cracked. Man, I am whooped right now, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've just been having like consistent headaches, killing me. But still trying to get this content out there. So yeah, I'm about to break something. I didn't even squeeze the tabs. Let's go ahead and throw these things on here. Alright, so real quick, just let me explain. I wrapped the clamps with electrical tape because I didn't feel like it was too wise for metal clips to be that close to the alternator, so I wrapped them with I wrapped them with electrical tape. But I don't even know how I'm gonna get this one to work like the way it is. I don't know. I'm gonna see, but I don't know. It's looking like it's gonna be impossible. Alright, so got them installed. Hopefully they don't fall off because they feel flimsy. Like they don't feel like they on there good, but I tightened the things as tight as I could. But this one got like the freaking wire harness like all up against it. I don't know, it's trash. But I don't know, I guess it looks pretty good. I honestly think I prefer to look at a stock airbox there instead, but it don't look too bad. I don't know. Hopefully it sounds better because that's what a lot of people say, that the intakes make it sound a lot better. So that's what I'm hoping for, and obviously to make more power. But yeah, I'm just hoping they freaking stay in place. They don't fall off. You can hear the intakes for sure. It sounds good. It sounds dope. I don't know if y'all can hear it on camera because I don't know, GoPros don't have the best audio. They've came a long way for sure. I remember on my old GoPro the audio was trash and I had to like drill out all of the stuff around the mics to make it sound better. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to hear like the difference in the car through this camera, because honestly you can like hardly hear. Like in real life the car sounds way better than it does on camera. Sounds so sick. I'm gonna be honest though, I feel like y'all can't. Look at this nigga lawnmower almost fell out the back of that joint. I'm gonna throw it in sport mode right now. I got it on the traction control halfway off, I guess you could say. So unfortunately, after putting those stupid intakes on, this happened. And basically what happened was this groove was created by this pulley right here. It was rubbing up against it and I didn't realize it until it was basically too late. So yeah, unfortunate. Alright, so this tape right here is supposed to be specifically for silicone hose repairs. It's emergency tape, so I don't know. They say it's permanent, but I don't know if it's gonna really last. Especially pushing like 18 to 20 pounds of boost. I don't know if it's gonna last. But what's this called? Yeah, this is it right here. Quick fix tape. You see the company, so that's the company who make like the header wraps and all of that. So it's a reputable brand. I don't know, I think it might work, to be honest with you. Now just to put this back on and find out. Hopefully I can do it in time because I gotta be at work and I gotta leave in about an hour, and I have to stop and get gas too, and I'm running an E30 blend, so I have to go to a specific station. So yeah. So I did. Oh yeah, this fell off because of the rain. It was just like all peeled halfway off. I was just like, yeah, I'll go ahead and peel it all the way off. So, show y'all real quick. Did get these joints installed. Look at this one popped off. Didn't even know it. Wow, that's crazy. I wonder how long it was off. I feel like it couldn't have been too long. I don't think it's rubbing anymore. I like zip tied it right here to keep it further back, and as you can see, it doesn't look like it's been rubbing. I think. I don't know. I can't even tell. Oh, you can't see nothing. Hold on. Alright, as you can see, it doesn't look like it's been rubbing, but I'm not for certain. I'm gonna have to double check because it do look a little ashy on there. Like maybe it could have possibly rubbed a couple of times, but I don't know. Yeah, man, I can't believe this thing popped off. I don't even know how that happened. Like, it was tightened. The heck? So, well, I have to tighten that again. Yeah.